So again, what are ethical, social, and political implications that arise from implementation and use of information systems? The field of information technology is currently undergoing transformation that have not yet been accompanied by the establishment of corresponding legal frameworks and ethical guidelines. So the augmentation of processing power, storage capacity, and networking capabilities such as the internet serves as serves to amplify the influence and extend the scope of both individual and organizational endeavors. So the current landscape of online settings represent novel issues in safeguarding privacy and intellectual property due to the effortless and anonymous nature of information communication, replication, and manipulation. So the the primary ethical, social, and political concerns that arise from information systems are around the concept of information rights and obligations. So property rights and obligations, accountability and control, system quality, and quality of life. So what are the specific concepts that can be employed to provide guidance for ethical decisions? There are 6 ethical principles actually that can be employed to evaluate conduct. Nandyan po yung golden rules, Immanuel Kant's categorical imperative, Descartes' rule of change, the utilitarian principle, the risk aversion principles, and the ethical no pre-lunch rule. So it is advisable to employ these concepts in conjunctions with a comprehensive ethical investigations. Now, what are the problems posed by contemporary information system technology and the internet to the protection of individual privacy and intellectual property? The advent of modern data storage and analysis technologies have facilitated the effortless collections of personal data from diverse sources by organizations. And this data can then be analyzed to generate comprehensive electronic profiles that provide deep insights into persons and their habits. So the monitoring of data transmitted through the internet is possible at multiple junctures. Maybe you may encounter cookies, no? They will advise you to like cookies and other web surveillance techniques diligently monitor the actions and behaviors of individual visiting websites. Not all websites possess robust privacy protection, privacy protections policies, and they may not consistently facilitate informed permission pertaining to the utilizations of personal informations. So, in the Philippines, now, the existing copyright rules are inadequate in addressing the issue of software piracy due to the ease of digital replication and simultaneous transmission of digital context across many places facilitated by the internet. So, what will be the impact of information system in our daily life? While computer systems have undoubtedly contributed to increased efficiency and economic prosperity, they also have certain adverse effects. Computer faults have the potential to inflict significant harm upon both individuals and companies. So, the presence of substandard data quality can also be attributed to the occurrence of disruptions and financial losses within business operations. Employment can be jeopardized as a consequence of technological advancement that lead to the substitution of human labor with computers, or when duties become redundant due to the implementation of re-engineered business processes. So, the ownership and utilization of computers may potentially contribute to the amplification of socio-economic inequalities across various racial and social strata. So, the pervasive utilization of computers amplifies the potential for computer-related criminal activities and instances of computer misuse. So, computers have the potential to give rise to several health issues, including repetitive strain injury, computer vision syndrome, and technostress. And I think that's it for chapter 4.